If you have some bread and eggs, today I'm going to be showing you how to make masala French toast, which is very easy and delicious. And I bet also you have some capsicum and onion because they are included in this recipe. So I'm going to start off by cracking my eggs. Add in some black pepper, salt, and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Add in my red and green capsicum and some onion. This is a small onion. Using a fork, I'm going to whisk in everything to combine. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add in some milk. Using a fork, I'm going to mix the milk to combine with the rest of the ingredients. At this point, everything is perfect. I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a small pan for my bread. So I'm going to pick one slice of bread, dunk it in my eggs, just like that. Make sure it's fully soaked with the delicious egg mixture and transfer to a pan. Placing some more veggies on my toast. The turmeric has added a very nice color to my eggs, and also the black pepper has added some very nice flavor to my eggs. I would recommend you use a non-stick pan for this recipe because the outcome is going to be amazing. So I'm going to cook my bread until golden brown on the bottom side, and then I'm going to flip. My bread is ready, so I'm going to transfer to a plate. Spread some more oil on my pan. Pick my bread, dunk it in my egg mixture, making sure it soaks all the goodness. Lift my bread and transfer to my pan. Add some more veggies on top. When cooking the masala French toast, you're going to reduce the flames to low because you don't want to burn your toast. Always check on the bottom side. If you notice some nice golden brown color, it's time to flip. Mine is ready. I'm going to flip. Nice. My bread is ready. Very nice. I am done making my masala French toast, and the outcome is just delicious. So this masala French toast you can serve either for breakfast or for brunch, or whenever you have some guests over and you want to surprise them with some delicious appetizers. So I hope you'll be trying this, and catch you in my next episode.